Dr. PayPal YouTube channel. Dr. PayPal. Dr. PayPal. Dr. PayPal. Hi guys, today we're going to make a cake. We'll call it Dr. PayPal cake. So let's go. So today we got the Dr. PayPal team. Dr. PayPal. Okay guys, so we're gonna start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. We're gonna start by melting 225 grams of butter. Once the butter is boiling, add 4.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And whisk it in. Dr. PayPal. Dr. PayPal. And the sugar. I mix it. And now I mix 3.5 deciliters of water. Okay, so we take approximately 1/2 of a sour cream glass and just put it into the mix together with 2 eggs. We mix in 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. We have approximately 1 teaspoon of salt and 5.25 deciliters of flour. Okay, so we need to take the baking paper over the form. And just press it down. And then we'll just take some oil and stick it around inside of the flour. Let's drop it in. Well guys, we're going to put the cake in the oven to 30 to 40 minutes, yeah. Dr.